Usually when you roast a chicken, it takes an hour, but I'm going to show you in the Cook For Me touch that this is only going to take 30 minutes, so half the time, because I'm going to twice cook my gorgeous roast chook. First, I'm going to pressure cook it, and that's only going to take 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'm going to grill the top so it's beautifully caramelized and golden. On top of that, I'm going to serve it with a sauce. So first up, we need to add a few flavourings to our chicken. I love the Greek-inspired flavours. So some tomatoes, just some classic cherry tomatoes can go into the bowl. And some garlic. Now you need a whole bulb of garlic for this peeled. You leave them whole, don't even bother chopping them, because as this pressure cooks, they completely transform. They go sweet. They're just fantastic with the chicken. Some good old frozen peas, we'll pop them in. And they also become sweet after pressure cooking. Some oregano, just some dried oregano. And the juice of 1 whole lemon. So cut that in half and we'll squeeze that in. Okay. And at this stage you could add some potatoes if you like, or even other vegetables like some beans and zucchini work nicely with the chicken. I want to season this, so just a little salt. Great. And now for the chicken. Now I have brought this out of the fridge an hour ago. You don't want it to be really cold before you cook it because it's just going to take longer. So bring that out of the fridge to room temperature. It's also going to ensure we get a super moist chicken. So as always, oil, so good quality extra virgin olive oil over the chook, and some salt, and if you like some pepper, some freshly cracked pepper. Okay, done. Now this goes into the bowl. We'll just nestle it in there. You can see it fits perfectly. And we need some liquid, about 1 cup of chicken stock. You don't need too much, just the smallest amount so it doesn't catch on the bottom. Now, the best thing about the new Cook For Me touch is the amount of recipes that are inbuilt into it. It also comes with an ingredient function, so you could add whatever you like. We've got a chicken, so I go straight to the meat section. I choose poultry, and you can even choose the cut of chicken. That's how inspirational this is. So 1 whole chicken, and I know this chicken is 1.3 kilos, and we can start to pressure cook. It's as simple as that. Now, because I'm cooking it twice, I'm gonna cook this for about 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you another function, which is pretty cool. Okay, the first stage of cooking the chook is complete and it smells so good. Those tomatoes have broken down. But now we want a beautiful crisp top on the chicken skin. Now we're going to place the crisp lid into position and just pop it on number 2, which is the grill function. And we'll press start. And we're going to get the most beautiful crust on this twice cooked chicken. This is cooked. I mean, how fantastic does that look? See how nifty it is? We get the best of both worlds with this because the meat is going to be super succulent because we've slow cooked fast in the Cook For Me touch, so the pressure cooker, and then we've got crispy, crispy skin on our chook. So I'm going to carefully take it out. Ooh, look at those gorgeous juices. Transfer it to a platter. Oh, and hear that skin? Crispy skin. This makes me very happy. And then finally, these gorgeous juices. So the chicken stock in there and the tomatoes and the peas. I like to just pour that around the chook. It's almost like a delicious little broth to go with it. The tomatoes are my favourite. Serve this chook with some potatoes and don't forget the bread because you'll need that to mop up all that lovely juice. Twice cooked chook done in 30 minutes. I mean, really, you just can't beat that.